What's up, everybody? It's Young Cure with Day 11 of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. Just one more day until we are 2/3 of the way through the countdown. Only 11 days to go, people. For today's Countdown Retrospective, I would like to take you back to April 5th, 2014. On this date, Ron Pearlman, who many of you may recognize as the voice behind the iconic line, War Never Changes, took to Reddit to host an AMA or an Ask Me Anything session. There, a fan would ask him if he had any plans to do voiceovers for any future video games, which was his or her subtle way of asking him if he'd be involved in Fallout 4. Here's what Ron Pearlman had to say. Don't have any video games on the horizon right now. A fairly simple and straightforward answer. Looking back at this now, we all know that this was nothing short of bullshit, as his iconic narration is one of the first things that we would hear in the Fallout 4 announcement trailer. But at the time, it's understandable why people would think Ron wasn't lying. It was only a few months ago that Kotaku leaked casting scripts for Fallout 4, and in the script, it was the player character who uttered the line, War Never Changes. So Ron denying involvement in a video game matched up with the information we had at the time. But again, it was all a bald-faced lie, one that most definitely worked, as fans would be pleasantly surprised to see, or rather hear, Ron make a glorious return in a year and a month later.
War never changes.
With that, I would like to end Day 11th of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. Thank you for tuning in. Let us know in the comments below if you believed Ron Pearlman would be absent from Fallout 4 after his post, and what your thoughts were at the time. And to be further updated on Fallout 4, stay tuned right here on Young Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Young out.